Hello guys, this is health and lifestyle, and in this channel I will be showing you my lifestyle and my health journey of losing weight. And I want to say a big shout out to all my lovely subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Do it right away. Hit the subscribe button, join the family, and we'll be showing you a lot of healthy recipes and stuff to lose weight, and my journey as well on this channel. So today I will be showing you a very simple recipe, which is a grapefruit, watermelon, a lemon, and ginger and orange juice. So the first steps is to wash your fruits very well with salt, so that you reduce the bacteria on the surface of the fruits. So that, because we are just juicing it directly, and if there are any traces of bacteria, I bet you will not like it. Your stomach will be upset. You'll have stomach upset because of that. So you'll be very serious to wash your fruits very well, rinse them properly, keep your surface clean, and that's it. So on this part, I'm just washing my watermelon with some salt as well, taking care of the skin, and wash that properly to make sure everything is clean and nice. And now we are going to the chopping part. So this part is very crucial, and look at it guys, this watermelon wasn't what I wanted. I was expecting something very juicy and ripe, but I didn't get that kind of watermelon. And you can see it wasn't that red, it's not that wavy. But the most important aspect of this is to get the juice out of it, because watermelon is packed with water. The water content in it is very high, and watermelon are good for rich in fiber, help to stay hydrated because of the water content, as I earlier mentioned. And then it helps you to maintain a healthy weight because it has a very low glycemic index, and it helps to boost your immunity and also help to keep your skin glowing. And you can see my skin is glowing as well. So we are going ahead to chop our oranges. I will be using I was expected to use 6 oranges in this recipe, but you can see one got bad, and I had to throw that away and then use just 5 of those oranges. And oranges are very good as well for your immunity, to reduce belly fat, and also to keep you hydrated because of the increased water content, and also to help your iron absorption. Helps in iron absorption. And now we are going to be chopping our lemon. I just added 1 lime into it because that was the extra one I had at home. But you see, it also is very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps in iron absorption, fights cancer, helps immunity, and also reduce inflammation and bloating. So if you're someone who is very prone to constipation, this recipe is very necessary for you. You should try it. And then I'm going ahead to chop or to prepare my grapefruit. You see, at one point I was just playing with this grapefruit on the table. But I'm very happy with the turnout of this grapefruit. It was so good. No one was bad, and the water content in this grapefruit, I was very impressed. So I'm really giving a shout out to the shop I got this, and I'm sure I will definitely go back to that particular grocery shop. to get more in the next episodes. So I'm chopping that, and it's looking so yummy. I love grapefruits, and these grapefruits are very, very rich in fiber as well, reduce inflammation, reduce blood pressure, and also reduce constipation. Now I'll be chopping my ginger. I can't do any juice without ginger. Ginger and lemon is a must in all my juices. So chopping everything, you can see everything has been well prepped and everything is ready, looking so sumptuous and yummy. I just feel like eating this watermelon, but I was just guarding my appetite for this. Let's get into the juicing. The juicing part is what is most interesting. So guys, if you're watching this channel up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. I am sharing so helpful recipes to lose weight and also to live a healthy lifestyle. And at this point, I lose concentration, and you see the juice was so full into that cup I was collecting, and was all over the place. So I had to clean that up, stop it and clean it up, and then start taking it gradually, and then always clean as you go, because with the juice, as I mentioned, if there is any form of infection, you wouldn't like this, because as it stays in the fridge, and it's recommended to stay in the fridge just for 3 days, highest is 4 days. So in those number of days, if there's any bacterial infection, oh my god, you wouldn't like the outcome. You definitely go down for the infection. So be careful with your hygiene. You can see my juicer is doing its job. This juicer is very good, but the only disadvantage is that you have to unplug and do and take out everything to be able to take the residues, the collection. You can see the collection is in between, it's not like with other juicers that collect those residues at the back of it. So I'm just training that just to be sure that it gives me that right consistency like a normal juice without any flakiness in it. So that's what I'm doing, juicing that and sieving up and preparing everything, mixing it up, mixing everything together and making sure that it looks so good and it is well mixed together. So this is it. It turned out to be so well. That's all that came out, and the juicer did a very good job. And now I'm just going to be putting into these bottles. The first one is just an open jar, and this jar I just put the quantity I'm going to be drinking for the first day, which is today. I'm recording this video, and the other ones, the other cups, I'm going to be using it to go to work for the next 2 days. You can see there are 5 of them, and the first day I can take 3 or 2, and the second day I can take 2 or 3, depending on how I want to my day will look like. This is very essential to have these cups with you, because when you're working, you most often we miss track of getting hydrated, drinking appropriately. So having this with you keeps you a reminder that you have to drink, and it is already ready-made and ready for you to just take it in. So it will be quite easier for you to keep yourself hydrated at work. And this is, we are getting into the winter season, and you know, lemon and ginger is a must in our recipes. If you haven't tried it, or if you haven't added it to your recipe or to your teas, try to add your lemon and your ginger into your tea, so you don't get the possibility of having cold, persistent cold. And even if you have to have cold, it wouldn't be that serious, because you have actually boost up your immunity with such drinks like this, which it has lemon, ginger, and other stuff that boosts your immunity. So this should you try, because during the winter, I'm very certain during this cold season we don't drink properly, and because we don't drink properly, we don't get proper hydration, the quantity that we want, because normally it's recommended to take 2000 mils of fluids every day. And most of us during this cold season, you don't feel like you want to drink actually, but you have to force yourself. So guys, this is it. Please, if you have reached this point, it means you're liking my recipe and you're welcome to join the family in this channel. Please subscribe and like and click on the notification bell. Share my videos, drop your comments, drop your ideas, and if you try this, please comment on the comment section that I have tried the recipe and it's tasted so good. You can see the color is so beautifully well, and it taste is amazing. It is amazing, and this is a very good and healthy drink. Why should you go to buy the juices with so much sugar in it? And you can see me flexing with it, taking some time to drink that. Just get my feedback after the first sip. Just get it. Oh my God.